James, ano ang update dyan sa International Criminal Court at sino-sinong personalidad ang nariyan ngayon?
Oo, June, maagang dumating dito ang mga kaanak ng biktima at ayon sa kanila ay matama nilang pakikinggan kung paano maglalahad ng panig ang defense ng dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
Personally, I see it as a political matter. Parang baliwala ebidensya dito eh. Walang chat tricks eh.
Political kung ilarawan ng mga Pilipinong abogado ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang isinasagawang confirmation of charges sa International Criminal Court. Ayon kay dating Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea, puro istorya o kwento lamang ang batayan sa reklamo.
Hindi natin alam ang oras, sino, kailan. No? Walang sufficient definiteness kung sino ang... Probably, hindi natin alam ang procedure dito sa ICC. Ito ang sistema nila. But as lawyers, Filipino lawyers, bigyan nyo kami ng... Yung nakikita namin na masasagot namin ng tama.
Sinabi ni Attorney Martin Delgra na kitang-kita naman ang political character ng kaso simula pa lang sa sapilitang pagsuko at pagkidnap sa dating Pangulo.
So ano pa yung maaasahan natin dito? Insofar as that aspect is concerned, not the judicial process. Why is it political? And this is just my personal view. There is a policy of government all across administration na pag may isang Pilipino sa labas ng bansa na inaresto, dinitine, even tried in court, and even convicted, the policy of government across administration from Cory Aquino all the way up to BBM is to exert all available resources of government to bring that Filipino home.
At kung susuriin lang anyang mabuti ng ICC judges, walang matibay na ebidensyang naipresenta ang prosecutors.
The strongest bet, they presented it yesterday. One of those was the video doon sa alleged shooting sa Agdao Public Market in Davao City. Pagkatapos ng hearing yesterday, there was a quick review from the author of that video, the journalist who took that video. And everything, according to him, is not what the ICC prosecutor was trying to portray before the ICC judges. So, yun po. Yun pa lang, talo na sila doon.
Para naman kay Attorney Salvador Panelo, bukod sa pag-giit na walang jurisdiksyon ng ICC sa kaso ni FPRRD, wala na silang kailangan pang gawin o patunayan para ma-dismiss ang reklamo.
There is nothing to debunk. They have not proven their charges against the accused. So what is there to debunk? The accused is presumed innocent and proven guilty, and the prosecution has the burden to prove its case.
Sa huli, kampante sila sa kakayahan ni Attorney Nicholas Kaufman at mataas ang tsansang ma-dismiss ang reklamong kinaharap ng dating Pangulo.
Sa ngayon, June, ay nagsimula na sa paglalatag ng argumento ng depensa si Attorney Nicholas Kaufman at babantayan natin kung ano ang magiging takbo ng pagdinig dito sa ICC. Balik sa inyo dyan sa Pilipinas, June.
Maraming salamat, James Hilario.